If you already have a Shopify account, how can you link and sync your listings to TikTok Shop? Let's find out with Hidemyacc in today's video. If you already have a store on Shopify, instead of re-uploading your products to TikTok Shop, you can link these two accounts. The selling price, stock, product descriptions, images, and so on will be synced to TikTok Shop. This method helps save a lot of time, effort, and reduces the chances of errors. Additionally, having another sales channel reduces risks in business. If one channel encounters problems, such as policy changes or system errors, you still have other channels to keep your business running. To link the store, you first need a store on Shopify. If you already have one, you can skip this part. You can choose to register with email, Google, Apple, or Facebook. Shopify will ask you a few questions about your business type, e.g., selling clothes, electronics, handmade items, etc., the products you plan to sell, your expected monthly sales, and whether you're already selling anywhere. Just answer these questions as usual. After the trial period, usually 3 days for free, followed by an additional 3 months at just $1, you will need to select the appropriate service plan to continue using. Initially, the basic Shopify plan is sufficient, as it includes all the basic features needed to run an online store. If you find you need more features later, you can choose a higher plan. To link Shopify with TikTok Shop, you need to meet the following requirements. First, the location requirement. Your Shopify store must have a verified address and must be in one of the following countries: US, UK, Spain, Ireland, France, Italy, Germany, Mexico. Second, the store requirement. You must have an active online store, and it should not have a password protection. At this point, you'll need to upgrade to a paid plan to disable the password protection. Also, you must update the return policy. Third, the TikTok Shop account requirement. It must be a business account to be able to connect. And finally, the product requirement. If you want to sync your listings, your products must comply with TikTok's policies. Hidemyacc will guide you through the setup process to meet the requirements for linking your TikTok Shop account with Shopify. First, verify your store address. Go to Settings, select Location, and update your store's information accurately. Second, open your store online without a password protection. With the free trial plan, your store will have a password. To open a public store, you need to upgrade to a paid plan. Currently, Shopify has a promotion with the basic plan for just $1 for 3 months. Choose the plan that suits your needs and add an international payment card to charge the fee. Besides that, you need to update your return and refund policy. Please edit this in the policy section. The specific policy depends on each shop, so you can be flexible with this part. The third requirement is that your TikTok Shop account must be a business account. You need to select this when registering your account. TikTok will not allow you to change the account type later. And the final requirement is that products being synced must comply with TikTok's policies. This is similar to the requirements of most platforms. Don't list restricted items such as drugs, supplements, or flammable products. When listing on Shopify, make sure to fill out all required information, including product name, description, images, price, stock, variants, shipping, etc. Follow the guidelines on keywords, images, and product descriptions from TikTok Shop's listing videos. Once you meet the above conditions, you can link Shopify with TikTok Shop. In the Apps section, search for TikTok and click Install. If you can't connect TikTok Shop to Shopify, the issue may be that you haven't upgraded to a paid plan. When adding your card, make sure the cardholder's name matches the name registered with your Shopify store. Above, Hidemyacc has guided you on how to create a Shopify account, how to list products, and how to sync them from Shopify to TikTok Shop. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out on other helpful videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or contact Hidemyacc's support team via live chat for prompt assistance.